VPN issue fixed with remote IT support. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Having trouble with your VPN? Don't worry, remote IT support with TeamViewer can help fix it fast. Simply connect your IT support team and they'll connect to your device remotely using TeamViewer. They can troubleshoot and resolve any VPN issues, whether it's a configuration problem, connection error, or software conflict. With secure remote access, your IT team can work on your device in real time, guiding you through fixes or resolving the issue directly. Get your VPN back up and running quickly with TeamViewer's remote IT support. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.